Hi, in today's video on Software Skills Google Sheets, we're looking at how to use borders on Google Sheets. So this is a table here of 5 candidates, their ages and their scores in an exam. So for our table, we highlight all the cells of that table and then we can click here to create an outer border. Now, you can see here the different options for borders. This would fill all of the columns and rows with borders. This one would fill in the inner borders, horizontal, vertical, outer, and this is just for the left, top, right, bottom, and this is to clear any borders. This is to determine the border color, and this is to determine the border style. So let's say we want to have an outer border, we simply do this. And then let's say we wanted to clear the border, we highlight it again, and we go on clear borders, and that gets rid of it. Now let's say we want to create a thicker border, and we also want to do it for all the rows and columns. What we can do is we can go and switch the border style to this thicker one, and then click on all borders. And now you can see that the border's a lot thicker, and it's also appearing between all of the rows and columns. The other option is, let's just clear this again. The other option is perhaps you want to make the inner borders a different shade to the outer borders. So to do that, what you can do is firstly, you can choose a thinner border, and then you can choose the inner borders like so. Then when you highlight it again, you can go switch to a thicker border and then click on the outer borders, and that will create a thicker outer border like so. Let's just say that you wanted these borders to be a different color because these are like the headings. What you can then do is go here, go on border color, and let's say we want to make this into a red. We can simply click here on red, and then what we do is we highlight it and we click on outer border. Well, if you want these two lines as well to be red, then we click on this one, and that makes all of the borders here turn red. So that is how to use borders on Google Sheets. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.